Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if network and sharing center not opening on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, network and sharing center not opening, then here are the fixes, various workarounds. First one is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under device list, scroll down and look for the option network adapters. Expand it, go to your network adapter driver, simply right click on it and choose update driver. Update your network adapter driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating process and check whether your network and sharing center page is opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open Run dialog box, and in Run dialog box type the command services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here under available services, scroll down and look for the option network connections. Simply right click on it and apply a double click on it and go to a startup type and choose automatic and press apply and OK to save the changes. If you already found it in start mode, then restart network connection services. Some other networks related services also available. Same process will be applied. Set a startup type as automatic, choose apply and OK to save the changes. So network related all services should be start and set as automatic. A startup type, set it as automatic. And if you found it in a stop mode, then start it and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Once successfully completion, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your network and sharing center page is opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on the start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command. This command will also available in my video's description box. Control.exe, name Microsoft Network and Sharing Center, and this command will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there simply, and this is the command from which you can easily launch Network and Sharing Center through run dialog box. And you can see Network and Sharing Center page will now open. So if you fail to open or launch Network and Sharing Center directly, then open this method. The one more method is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to network and internet. Here from the right side, scroll down and go to advanced network settings. Here scroll down and go to network reset. And finally click on network reset now, and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of your network and restart your system.